Okay, it's time for today's video essay. So here's where we are. Here's the master bathroom. Now you will see that these sill plates up top here, that's 9 feet. And there is the skylight, which will now be inside the office. So from the corner here to about right there is where we'll frame the office in, and that's 14 feet. And then going across, this is exactly 12 here, but there's an additional 2 feet that goes back to the tray ceiling. So we'll move the joist to there. So these braces that are on, for roof pitch holding that really aren't structural, they're just there for extra support. We'll cut these back and move them to the 2x6 joist for the tray ceiling at 10 feet so that we can run the 2x12 by 14s all the way across. Okay, so here is the master closet. So back in here is where the staircase will start. It'll 2 steps here, a little landing area, and then it'll come up this way. So this wall is getting taken out. So the plumber comes tomorrow to take out all the vent stacks and water lines, and surprise, our main gas line that comes in from the house right here. So fun stuff. And then of course we'll reframe the doors. The doors also get delivered tomorrow, so we'll frame this door in, and then we'll frame the new door in here. So this will be the last of the dust creation. So when we cut these doors out and we frame them in, we'll quickly put up the sheetrock to keep it out of the master bedroom, and frame in the new door right here or so. So if you look closely here, this is my HVAC unit, and if you look closely, I'll try and zoom in here. That's the door from the boys' closet upstairs that goes to service the blower unit up there. So we're not going to touch that. We're going to frame basically right up to this, about right here, I would say. About right here. This is 14 feet. So we'll make it a nice 14 by 14 office. We'll have nice high ceilings, at least 10 feet, probably pitch it up to 12. We'll insulate the living daylights out of it. Got to take some of those cross beams out in order to get the full effect of the skylight inside of the office. And then you can't see it, but back up there on top of the tray ceiling, still about 6 foot height. We'll frame that in for a storage closet, which I'll tie into the office, which will allow to hide Christmas gifts, store our luggage, stuff like that. All the stuff that we don't want the kids to be messing with. Okay, so that's where we are. So over here will be the tub, the 2 vanities, the new door. The shower will be right here all the way over, and it'll come out to about right here. So it's scheduled to be 6 foot by 7 foot. And then the commode room will still be here. The toilet drain currently is there. We're going to move it over here so that the staircase will clear. So well, the staircase is going to clear. It'll clear the window about right here. So this is where the staircase will end. But I'm just thinking for the door, be able to fit the door in. So anyway, so that's where we are. I might actually just keep that here. All right. See you later.